Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing my 6-burner propane gas grill. So I've had this 6-burner propane gas grill for about 6 to 8 months now, and I wanted to do a quick review or a overall impression of what I feel so far. First things first, I do highly recommend that you guys get this cover. I bought this grill at Academy, and I was able to buy this cover at Academy. This is a pretty heavy duty cover. I've compared them to the Masterbuilt ones. When you buy your smokers, the Masterbuilt ones are very, very thin. This one feels very, very durable. So as far as the cover is concerned, I highly recommend it, especially if you're gonna have it outside. I don't know if you can tell with the camera, but there is some fading going on where the sun has been hitting it, but it has been protecting my grill. Okay, so I'm gonna take this cover off. So I have used this burner, I want to say about 8 to 10 times since I first purchased it, and so far I'm pretty happy with it. This one is really good. This side burner is really good whenever you want to heat up something in a pot, or if you want to heat up some tortillas. That's perfect right there for me. On the inside, the grates have been holding up pretty well. They are very, very durable. Like I said, when I first started this, when I first did the unboxing of this, it is very, very sturdy. It is really good. Got some old onion in here. The inside is holding up very, very well as well. The only thing that I do recommend that you guys do if you're going to be using this type of burner, and with any burner, is just keep it maintained. What I noticed is that, I'm going to pull one of these out. What I noticed is that when I don't clean this grease that's left on top, when I turn it on again, it catches fire, and it increases the temperature inside the actual grill. So you want to keep those clean and ready to go for each of your smokes, and you should be good on that one. Like always, if you keep it maintained, keep it clean, it should be pretty good for you. I've had to probably replace the tank maybe once or twice, and I've always followed the way that they recommended in turning it on. The way I turn this on is I open up the gas tank down here, the propane tank, and then I turn on the second burner first. Turn it on first, and then I turn on the actual thing. Turn on, it actually turns on. This one was on, left on automatically, it just turned on me. So if you follow those instructions, it has been pretty good to me. The only thing is, for me, you always have to be keeping up. You can't just leave when you're using this grill. The temperature does get pretty high pretty quick in here, and if you're not keeping an eye on it, it will kind of like sneak up on you. But let me give you a 360 of what it looks like after about 6 months of being used. So I haven't had a need to use the actual. This is like a holding tray, like for your cold beverages. I actually put my wood chips in here, and it keeps them pretty dry. Okay, so if you look inside, it has gotten wet. It just rained today. It does get wet a little bit, but not as much as if the cover was not there. The construction is pretty solid. Giving you a 360. As you can see, there's my fat trapper there. There is a little bit of corrosion going on, but I think because of the fact that I have that cover, that's what really helps. The one thing that I would say in regards to usage for this grill is this handle. Now this handle, it's meant for you to pick it up and turn it around. Move it around whenever you need to. I have had this grill move back and forth. I do have carpet grass, so it is pretty tough to get through the grass. And the 4 or 5 times that I've used it, I've moved it, and I noticed that this handle has gotten loose, or is not as sturdy as you would once think. If you notice, it's kind of like bent up a little bit. That's where I've been pulling it up and pulling on it, but it's overall it's a pretty sturdy construction. It is pretty sturdy. So I would give this about an 8 out of 10. If I'm rating this grill, I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. The hinges are working pretty good. There's nothing loose, nothing coming off. This has always been loose. It's not something that's new. That's always been. So we're good to go on that. Overall, if you do find this on sale, I would definitely pick it up, especially for the amount of the size of burners that it has. The amount of burners, it has 6 of them, and your side burner. If you find this one on special, I would definitely pick one of these up. Just be prepared to have a space for it, because it is pretty big and it does take up a lot of space. So other than that, it's good to go. If you have any questions or comments in regards to this burner, please put them down below on the link and I will try to get to them. But once again, this has been my review of the 6-burner gas grill after about 6 to 8 months of usage. Thanks for watching, guys.